Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Khatri and today we will be discussing my third internal data science paper, which consists of 40 easy MCQ questions. So let's begin. So the first question is, which paradigm of data research involve asking what problems can be solved given some data? So the options are hypothesis driven, data driven, model driven or analysis driven, and the correct answer is B, that is data driven. Next question is, unstructured data cannot be easily stored in. Options are tables, relational database, spreadsheets or images or audio. Here we have a mistake in our question. It should be unstructured data can be easily stored in, because tables, relational databases and spreadsheet can easily store structured data. So the answer will be images and audio. There is no nod here. Next question is, the probability of an event E is calculated as. Option A is product of all probabilities, B is sum of probabilities of outcomes of E, C average of probabilities, or D maximum probabilities. And the correct answer is B, that is sum of probabilities of outcomes in E. Next is, in descriptive statistics, which measure is useful for skewed distribution or data with outliers? And the options are arithmetic mean, geometric mean, median or mode, and the correct answer is C, that is median. Next is, during data cleaning, artifacts are. Options are irrecoverable information lost during acquisition, B systematic problems that can be corrected, C missing values, D outliers from the data collection, and the correct answer is B, that is systematic problems that can be corrected are known as artifacts. Next is, feature engineering for discrete data includes A scaling, B binning, C one hot encoding and D log transform, and the correct answer is C, that is one hot encoding. Next question is, the normal distribution follows dash. A 80-20 rule, B 68-95-99.7 rule, Poisson variance equal to mean rule, or long tail rules. So the correct answer is B, that is 68-95-99.7 rule. Next is, in modeling, the error term consists of dash. Options are A only reducible error, only irreducible error, reducible and irreducible error, or D bias only. And the correct answer is C, that is reducible and irreducible error. Ninth, Occam's razor suggests choosing the dash. A most complex model, simplest model with equal performance, most flexible model, or model with the highest variance. So the correct answer is B, that is simplest model with equal performance. Next is, parametrics model risk. A no assumption about F, B wrong assumptions leading to bad results, C overfitting always, or D high interpretability. So the correct answer is B, that is wrong assumptions leading to bad results. 11th, for classification evaluation, precision is TP upon F, TP plus Fn, B TP upon TP plus FP, C true positive over totals, or D area under ROC. And the correct answer is B, that is TP upon TP plus FP. Next is, in linear regression, coefficients are found using dash. So the correct answer for this question is minimizing the RSS, because others are not used in linear regression. Next question is, logistic regression predicts numerical values, probabilities using sigmoid, clusters, or D distances. And the correct answer is B, that is probabilities using sigmoid function. 14th, Euclidean distance is Minkowski with k equals to dash. So the correct answer is B, that is k equals to 2. Next question is, K means clustering assigns observation to dash. So the K means assign observation to the closest centroid, not the farthest or the random centroid. Next is, decision trees are prone to dash. So decision trees are prone to overfitting, not underfitting or higher bias. Next is, in neural networks, activation function introduces linearity, non-linearity, bias only, or weights only. So the correct answer is B, that is non-linearity. Now coming on to the next question, Hadoop HDFS provides dash. So options are job scheduling, high throughput, data access, SQL queries, or stream processing, and the correct answer is B, that is high throughput data access. Next, in SQL, to combine rows from two tables based on related columns, we use which command? Select, where, join, or group by, and the correct answer is C, that is join. Python DQ supports key value pairs, append and pop from both ends, unique elements only, and heap operation, and the correct answer is B, that is append and pop from both the ends. Now coming on to the section 2, question first. So the following are types of data mentioned in data science: structured, unstructured, quantitative, and categorical. So select the correct answer. So here the correct answer will be A, that is J, K, L and M, because all are the types of data. Next is, the following are probability concepts: independent events P of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B, Bayes theorem, P of A upon B is equal to P upon P of B upon A, P of A upon P of B, expected value, sum PS into V into S, and M variance equal to sigma. So here the correct answer will be A, that is J, K and L, because these three are only the correct ones. Next is, the following are data cleaning methods for missing values: drop records, mean value imputation, nearest neighbor, and outlier detection. So the correct answer for this question is A, J, K and L, because outlier detection is not a data cleaning method. Next is, the following are modeling philosophies: Occam's razor, simplest explanation, Bayes variance trade-off, no free lunch theorem, Nate Silver, think probabilistically. So select the correct answer from the given options. So the correct answer for this question is A, because all the four given are the modeling philosophies, which is important in machine learning. So all the four are correct. Next is, the following are distance measures: Manhattan distance k equal to 1, Euclidean k equal to 2, cosine for vectors, and KL divergence for probabilities. And the correct answer is A, because all these distances measured which are given here are correct. Next is section 3. So matching type questions. Match the distribution in column A with the key property in column 2 and choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the first is, let us first know the answer, then we'll match the columns. So answer is A, that is for binomial the answer is EV equal to NP and variance equal to NPQ. For B, second, so normal distribution is a bell-shaped curve which is symmetric in nature. Next is Poisson, so Poisson EV equal to variance equal to lambda. And for power law, long tails and Pareto shape. Next, match the term in column 1 with the definition in column 2. Reducible error. So reducible error can be minimized by better technique. Irreducible error cannot be reduced. Overfitting, which has high variance model and models noise, and underfitting, high bias, misses the relations, and the correct answer is A. Next is A, linear regression. So linear regression basically predicts numerical and numerical values and minimizes the RSS. Next is logistic regression. So logistic regression predicts probabilities using sigmoid function. Third is k-means. So k-means is a clustering technique and which is based on centroids. Fourth is decision trees. So decision trees has binary branching and which is very much prone to overfitting. So the correct answer is A. Next is HDFS. So HDFS is basically a distributed file system. MapReduce is a parallel processing paradigm. YARN stands for yet another resource negotiator, and its work is job scheduling and resource management. And Spark is basically in-memory processing, RDDs. So the correct answer is A. Next, coming on to the next section, that is assertion reason based. So assertion here is correlation does not imply causation, and the reason is it measures degree of relationship but not cause effect. So here the correct answer is A, that is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of our assertion. Next is gradient descent uses learning rate for step size, and reason is it minimizes cost in linear regression. So yes, these both the statements are correct, and also R is the correct explanation of the given assertion. Next is neural networks are universal approximators, and they can approximate only complex function with enough layers. So yes, these both statements are also true, and R is the correct explanation because they are universal approximators and they can approximate any complex functions. Next is in SQL, join combines rows based on the related columns. Okay, and reason is it handles data from the multiple tables. So it's both the statements are here also correct because reason is the correct explanation of assertion because join are used to join and handle the data from the multiple tables only. Next is section 5, that is arrange the step in k-fold CV in correct order. So the steps are divide data into k folds, train on k minus 1, validate on 1, repeat k times, and average the errors. And the correct way and the correct order will be J, K, L and M, that is divide data, then train on k minus 1, validate on 1, then repeat k times and average the errors. Next is arrange the gradient descent algorithm in correct order. So the correct answer for this question is A. First is choose learning rate first, then compute the gradient, then update the parameters, and then repeat until it is converged. So the correct answer is A. Next is arrange the k-mean steps in correct order. So k-mean steps include first random initial assignments, then we compute new centroids, then we'll assign closest centroid, and then iterate to no change. Correct answer is A. Now coming on to 37, that is arrange the map reduce process in the correct order. So the correct order will be first J, map, process data to key values, then shuffle and sort, then reduce and aggregate, and then the last is output the results. Correct answer is A. Arrange the neural network training in correct order. So the correct answer for this question is A, that is forward propagation first, then compute the loss, then back propagation, and lastly update the weights, and the correct answer is A. Arrange the PCA steps in correct order. So the PCA steps include firstly standardizing the data, then compute covariance matrix, then find the eigenvectors, and lastly the project data. So the correct answer is A. Last question of this video will be arrange the Hadoop components in data flow in correct order. So the correct order is firstly HDFS storage, then yarn scheduling, then map reduce processing, and lastly the output to the HDFS, and the correct answer will be A here. Thank you for watching.